Today, I'm going to show you the first thing you need to learn when you start playing guitar. You need to tune. E, A, D, G, B, E. If you're not tuned, it's hard to learn anything. Good thing is, tuning's gotten a lot easier over the years. When I first started out a long time ago, I had to get a tuning fork, tune my E string, and train my ear to tune alongside that. Now you can get a clip-on chromatic tuner. Very common thing. I've seen them as low as $5. There's a lot of them online for $10 to $20 to $50, but they're very simple to use. And I recommend, I think if you buy a guitar, your first guitar, it should come with one. You should always have one. So let me show you how it works. Clip it on the headstock up here. Let me detune my guitar real quick. All right, so my first string is my low E string. Up to E, that's where you want it to be. If it goes past it like that, you're too tight. You need to loosen it up. Creep up on it just a little bit, like that. Then you go to your A string, which is your next string. It says G. A comes after G, right? G sharp. The next string is our D string. It's too high, so we need to go down to D natural like that. Perfect. The next string is a G string. E, F, G. So this is flat, so we need to tighten this up to get it to G. The next string is the B string. It's also flat because A, B. It says it's in an A, so you need to tighten it up to get it higher. And then our high E string. F is higher than E because it comes after E, so we're going to loosen it up. Now it's a little flat. All right, and when I have to dramatically retune my guitar like this, I like to go back through the top and just to second guess myself here. Start on the top E. Still good. My A string is still good. My D string is a little flat. We'll tighten that up just a little bit. All right. G string's good. B string is pretty good. High E. You can always test it by playing some big chords that use all the strings. You can tell. And one of the little tricks that I do, that I've been doing for years, is I take a pencil and I put a little pencil lead on my strings right here at the nut. Rub it in just a little bit. That makes it slide on the nut easier. It's a lot easier to tune now. It'll gradually when you tension the strings up, it'll gradually pull the string through there as opposed to popping through like sometimes it will do. So that's how you tune a guitar with a chromatic tuner. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any ideas for maybe another lesson for beginners, something like that. And if you would, subscribe to our channel and like us. Thank you. Have a good day.